Markoomtech is an innovative industrial company that manufactures all sesame processing machines to produce tahini and halva in a modern European way. Markoomtech produces and supplies sesame seed processing machines by applying modern methods and contemporary technology. Markoomtech has developed the traditional methods of producing tahini by utilizing modern technology. Markoomtech is one of the first companies in Turkey to develop dry sesame peeling lines. It provides the most available sesame seed equipment by creating several models of dry-type sesame peeling machines, batch types of sesame peelers with a production rate of 300 and 750 kg per hour, continuous types of sesame peelers with a production rate of 900 and 1700 kg per hour. All these models apply the latest ways of processing sesame seeds without the need to use traditional methods, which are used in this industry. These sesame peeling machines are completed by complete processing equipment for producing tahini paste with equivalent production capacities, such as sesame cleaning machines, sesame washing machines, sesame dewatering machines, sesame drying machines, sesame roasting machines, sesame cooling machines, sesame grinding machines, tahini filling machines, halva cookers. Markoomtech Company satisfies the needs of all customers by developing sesame processing equipment and manufacturing machines that meet all budgets and capacities. Markoomtech seeks permanent brilliance by manufacturing sesame processing equipment and providing innovative solutions for tahini production due to its wide experience with its clients worldwide. Markoomtech, a worldwide sesame solutions and machinery partner.